I like to be prepared for anything, and with all of the tornadoes and hurricanes and earthquakes and any sort of natural disaster that we've had in the past 10 or 15 years, I've become even more paranoid and I really like to be prepared. So I was very excited when I found these, the survival tabs. They are pretty awesome. I have the vanilla flavor, and they're emergency survival foods. So if you are in a natural disaster and you don't have a food source, or if you're out in the woods and you get lost, or if your car breaks down somewhere that's pretty remote, you have the ability to sustain yourself with these little pills. So the pills are this size. Like I said, they're vanilla flavored, and the suggestion is to take 12 of these per day, every few hours, and they have enough vitamins and nutrients to sustain you if you're taking the 12 to 15 per day for 4 to 5 months. This bottle has 180 tabs in it, so this is good for about 15 days, but if you really got into a bind, you'd be okay taking a few less so that you could draw it out. But the cool thing about these is that it's not like a vitamin where you eat it and it's gross and doesn't taste that good. This has a nice vanilla flavor to it, and I would highly suggest it.